Hello, I'm Tierra Burrell, professional makeup artist. Started makeup, it was kind of just something I kind of fell into. It wasn't anything that, like I planned on doing or really wanted a future at. My father is a professional makeup artist, so I always had a huge collection of a lot of products. So I kind of self-taught myself, and moving to Atlanta, I've obtained a position with MAC Cosmetics and, learned different tricks and tips and trades just to enhance everything. But it was kind of something just like any other artist. It's either you kind of have it or you just don't. As far as the beauty industry, I feel that I contribute just by showing a different perspective, especially here where I'm located based in Atlanta. There isn't too many people that actually do, the different extremities of makeup as far as the 3D special effects or, body painting, literally body painting. Then it ranges from airbrush to, your traditional style makeup. So I feel that I bring a little bit of all of that into one particular industry that may not necessarily be touched on.
Makeup by Tierra did my makeup for one event, and I literally got booked that same night at that particular casting. That's how serious she is with her makeup.
Know that there is a difference between actually being a makeup artist and actually being someone that just applies makeup. I feel that being an actual artist goes far beyond just, some foundation, some mascara, and some lip gloss or lipstick. It goes far beyond that. I admire, I love going to the drag shows. I love just pretty much studying, but I also like very couture European style makeup. So I like the different art forms. I love the evolution of makeup, and to look back, from the Egyptian times to the Greek times to, the Marie Antoinettes. I love watching, just the growth and different people's definitions of beauty over the process of time.
I love Tierra. She is great. She's a great makeup artist. I would refer her to anyone from celebrities to friends, to people that just need makeup done for any event or occasion. She's great. Makeup by Tierra. All I have to say is J'adore magazine, anniversary issue, me. Nothing else to say. Makeup by Tierra.
My overall goal in life is literally just to be happy in every well-being, every sense of self, every spiritual sense. Like, that's my ultimate goal. And if I can touch someone's life just by lip gloss or lipstick or whatever the case may be, putting on a different lotion or showing them how to improve their skin, then that definitely makes the difference to me every single day. Overall happiness, so I can really define beauty.